Welcome back, viewers! Drink olive oil every day and watch what happens to your body. Olive oil is widely recognized for its health benefits. It boasts anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and may even help protect against certain chronic diseases. In this video, we will talk about drinking olive oil and how it affects your body. While it's commonly used as a cooking and dipping oil, some people believe that drinking it will allow you to reap its maximum benefits. Keep on watching to find out what really happens to your body if you drink olive oil every day. The reasons you should be drinking olive oil. People in the Mediterranean drink a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil every morning. They believe it helps cleanse the body and aids with the digestive system. After chugging back their daily olive oil, they follow it with a warm cup of water and lemon. The combination of the lemon and the olive oil helps maintain lubricant for digestive mucus, which helps avoid constipation. Olive oil is also believed to help with weight loss. The oil is considered a good fat because it contains monounsaturated fatty acids, which help maintain a healthy heart, appropriate blood sugar levels, and aid in weight loss by helping you feel full and satisfied. That said, Everyday Health still warns that olive oil is a fat, so follow the popular mantra, everything in moderation. Drinking olive oil can also help in the beauty department with hair growth and keeping skin moisturized, but the benefits go beyond these. Drinking olive oil may also help prevent cancer, which may be attributed to the oil's antioxidant properties that could counter the oxidation of rays from the sun. Studies conducted on people who inhabit the Mediterranean region, where it is common practice to drink olive oil on a daily basis, found that only 3 in every 100,000 residents get skin cancer. That alone is reason enough to start drinking this liquid gold. Don't forget the sunscreen though. Real quick, hit that like button and let's get back into it. Is it safe to drink olive oil? Let's start by stating the obvious. It's always wise to research and investigate health-related tips you find online. Fortunately, the more you learn about the health benefits of olive oil, the more you'll be impressed. Since high-quality olive oil is an unrefined oil extracted from olives by a mechanical milling process, it offers a safer, healthier alternative to grain and seed oils that are produced using excessive heat or chemicals. If you take a minute to think about all the liquids and beverages you drink each day, i.e. flavored lattes, sodas packed with high fructose corn syrup, milkshakes that may or may not contain actual milk, it won't take long to realize that extra virgin olive oil may be one of the safest options available. What happens to your body if you drink olive oil every day? Number 1. Better hair and skin health. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E. Each tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil has about 1.9 milligrams of vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that can help protect the body against eye and skin problems, and in fact make hair and skin much healthier. It has also been shown to protect the body from diabetes, neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's, and lung cancer. Number 2. Improved blood cholesterol levels. Olive oil lowers the levels of total blood cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides. LDL cholesterol is the bad type of cholesterol which increases the risk of heart attacks and pulmonary heart disease. Extra virgin olive oil, which is rich in almost 40 antioxidant chemicals, helps reduce the oxidation effects of LDL cholesterol. Number 3. Weight loss. If you've ever feared that eating fats makes you fat, it's time to let that myth fall to the wayside. A recent study found that women with excess body fat who added 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil experienced significantly more weight loss and blood pressure reduction than women having the same amount of soybean oil. Following the study, research recommended using olive oil in obesity treatments. And so much for the freshman 15. In another study of more than 7,000 college students, higher olive oil consumption was not associated with weight gain over the course of 28 months. That said, it's important to remember that olive oil is an energy-rich, high-calorie food. You need to substitute olive oil for other sources of calories in your diet, or you will probably gain weight. Although high in calories, olive oil has shown to help reduce levels of obesity. Medical experts suggest that it is very difficult to gain weight from the monounsaturated fats present in olive oil. Experiments involving Mediterranean olive oil have shown positive results in regards to a reduction in human body weight. Number 4. Better metabolism. Olive oil boosts the metabolism, the growth of good bone structure, and brain development in children. It is an excellent source of vitamin E, which is very beneficial for old people. Number 5. Slows down aging. Olive oil, whether you use it simply as a condiment that you drizzle on your veggies or use in salad dressing or drinking it, is truly a nutrient-rich ingredient that has been clinically shown to offer a slew of unique health benefits throughout the life cycle. And when focusing on aging, you will be hard-pressed to find another food that supports so many aspects of health as olive oil does. Why? Olive oil, and specifically extra virgin olive oil, has been shown to help curb many aspects of the aging process, thanks in part to the monounsaturated fatty acid content and its bioactive compounds like polyphenols. Since olive oil can both help combat oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, including it in an anti-aging diet is a natural fit. Rich in antioxidants, olive oil slows the natural aging process of the human body. Used in cosmetic products and natural herbal therapy, it does wonders for the skin, which gets a natural shine and glow from the enriching oil. How much olive oil should you drink? Some studies report that people who live in the Mediterranean region drink a quarter cup or 60 milliliters of olive oil each day. If you're drinking olive oil for the first time, it's a good idea to start small and work your way up. Start with just 1 tablespoon of oil at first. This will be enough to provide the health benefits you're looking for, but it shouldn't be enough to upset your digestive system. Can you drink too much olive oil? As with anything in life, moderation is the key. Just because olive oil is good for you doesn't mean you should chug a whole bottle at once. In fact, we'd beg you not to do that. For so many reasons, while digestive disruption can be the most immediate effect of consuming too much, the oil's high caloric density could be a problem over time. On average, extra virgin olive oil contains 120 calories per tablespoon. And while 1 serving shouldn't cause problems, overuse could lead to consuming more than your recommended daily calories. So again, all things in moderation, even a superfood like olive oil. When is the best time to drink olive oil? Depending on who you ask, you'll probably hear differing answers on the best time of day to drink olive oil. Some will preach the benefits of drinking olive oil first thing in the morning. Others swear by the benefits of taking olive oil at night before bed. The morning advocates claim that taking a shot of extra virgin olive oil on an empty stomach jumpstarts digestion and provides optimal absorption into your system. The nighttime crowd suggests that the olive oil's natural anti-inflammatory properties do their best work while the body is at rest. Whether you drink your olive oil in the morning or late at night is largely a matter of preference. The important thing is choosing the option that works best for you. How should you drink olive oil? Since this last point came down to personal preference, it just makes sense that we should address another question that hinges on the same variable: taste. While fresh extra virgin olive oil is famous for its robust, vibrant flavors, every person's flavor palette is different. If you like the taste of straight olive oil, then by all means enjoy it neat. However, if you want a little extra zip and some extra vitamin C, you can add a squeeze of lemon juice to your olive oil. Either way, you win. We hope we've been able to answer your questions about drinking olive oil every day, whether it's safe or not, what it does to your body, and how much you should only drink. Is there anything you want to learn about next? If yes, comment down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.